Today is our last full day here in Japan. It is already 10:52 Osaka time. Temperature is at 12 degrees. That's why I already have my scarf on. Tapos I'm wearing a thick jacket. The weather forecast says that it can go as low as 7 degrees and Kobe is near the ocean. We'll be there probably before lunchtime, which is just perfect kasi kakain tayo ng Kobe beef nila. Ang starting point pala natin guys is Nagahorebashi Station. We have an additional stamp guys from the Domemae Station. I hope we can add more before the trip ends because so far, dalawa pa lang yung stamp na nakukuha ko. This is where we're transferring guys. We're moving to Hanshin Railway naman. The next train would be in 11 minutes going to Kobe Sanomiya. But the good thing is, diretso na siya. From Domemae, that's going to be straight to Kobe Sanomiya. Habang wala pa yung train and nag-aantay tayo, let's do a quick fit check. So this is the fit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me bring you guys lower. This is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Palermo sneakers, my scarf from Gap, and then the bag that I got from GU. And this cute anik-anik that I got from the Gachapon yesterday. Made it to Kobe Sanomiya Station. Kahanap tayo ng stamp guys sa Kobe. So stamp lang. Pressing down hard on the stamp. There you go. We secured our third stamp of this trip. Let's go. Guys, we're out of the station and this is our first look of Kobe. Daming tao. Tawid tayo. The vibe here in Kobe is so different from Nara, Kyoto. This is, I guess, closer to Osaka in the sense that it's livelier. It's more commercialized. Ang dami dito mga establishments. And then sa background, that's like a big mall. But so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing here in Kobe. Our only plan here in Kobe guys is to try of course the famous Kobe beef and then maybe walk around the downtown. We'll see what we can do here with our limited time. Daming tao ngayon guys because it's a Saturday here in Japan and yung mga tao out and about. Dito kami ngayon sa area ng Ikuta Road. Guys, we found it dito sa isang alleyway. Lumiko lang kami and ito na, Steakland. Guys, nasa loob na tayo ng Steakland and we got a queue number. Medyo marami tayong kasabay. Mahaba yung pila. But I'll let you know once we're seated. Update. We're already seated here at Steakland. We waited for like what? 5 minutes only. Here's their menu guys. We'll go for the Kobe beef steak lunch. 150 grams for 3,500 yen per person. So, they would give you an option kung anong doneness ng steak yung gusto mo. And of course, we chose medium rare. panis. Guys, here's our food. That's our Kobe beef steak. We have our rice, salad, and then of course, soup. Meron din tayong sauce, and then here, a side dish. Itadakimasu! Now for the main event, let's try the beef. It's oozing with juices. Parang feeling well done siya. Try natin i-dip yung beef nila dito sa sauce. Kapal masyado for me yung cut ng beef, guys. So, nahihirapan akong ngayon. Medyo chewy siya. I expected it to be a little more tender. Kakalabas lang namin, guys, from Steakland. Ayun yung Steakland. And naglalakad tayo ngayon. Punta tayo dun sa parang mall because it's drizzling. I would say, based lang naman to sa experience namin and sa preferences ko. I would say I've tried a lot better beef sa Manila. I expected more from the Kobe beef that we ordered because it's Kobe beef and we're in Kobe, Japan. Hindi rin siya ganun kalasa, guys. I was expecting na melts in your mouth level yung beef na order namin. Yung parang ganun, yung malinamnam, tapos natutulo sa bibig mo. I was a little bit disappointed, not gonna lie. Maybe it's just the place. It's the spot. Time check, guys. It's 12:49 p.m. And according to the weather forecast, it's currently raining and the rain should be stopping in 37 minutes. Tumigil na yung ulan, so we can explore more of Kobe. It's just 1:56 p.m. Siguro we'll go back to Osaka by around 3-4-ish. Umaraw na pero ang lamig pa din. Then tayo dito sa Namco. Mga crane games. If mahilig kayo mag-crane game, sobrang dami. Tapos ang cute yung mga stuffed toy. Pwede nyo kupanalunan. Ito yung prices. 200 yen, 1 play. 500 yen, 3 play. This is so nostalgic. Look! Imagine Boo! My Hero Academia. Dito naman, One Piece. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ayun na siya, nalaglag na. Kaso hindi nag-flow all the way down. Nakaka 500 yen na tayo dito, guys. Tama na to. Grabe, guys, yung tiwala ng Japan sa mga tao nila. Kasi itong mga ganito, nasa gilid lang yan talaga ng daan. Ito, guys, daanan yan ng tao. Tapos ito na, mga paninda na nila yan. Society talaga nila is built on trust. And we've proven that during our stay here. Bibili ako nito, guys. 148 yen. Na-try ko kasi to and gusto ko siya. May cooling sensation. And I like that. Bili ako nito, guys. 228 yen. I'll get 2. There you go.
Another coin? Coin?
No coin. Alright. Arigatou gozaimasu. Guys, sa paglalakad-lakad natin, nakarating naman tayo dito sa side na to. Pwede tayo actually maupo dito. Ang lamig, guys. But upo muna tayo dito. Mag-people watch muna tayo. Siguro for 5 minutes. Time check. It's 3:16 p.m. Osaka time. The temperature dropped to 11. Lagay na rin tayo ng binili kong lip balm kanina. Ito, guys. I like this. Pag malamig kasi, nagcha-chop yung lips ko. Ayan. Tapos, gamitin na rin natin yung hand cream na binili natin. Maganda siya. Pag malamig and naka-expose yung hands, nagda-dry din yung hands ko. Yan, so upo lang tayo dito. A stark contrast to Kyoto and Nara. Yun yung JR Sanomiya Station. Tapos dito parang may Shibuya crossing effect. It's so cold! Lakas ng hangin. Naninigas na yung kamay ko. Mag 3:30 na, so malapit na ulit lumubog yung araw. Ang ganda ng golden hour. I've been looking for dango, pero wala pa rin akong nakahanap na dango dito sa Japan. May mahanap kaya tayo bago tayo umuwi ng Manila. Punta ako dito sa Higashimon Street, guys. Tawid tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Yung mga restaurants din pala dito. Ito may ice cream. Kaso sobrang lamig na. Ice cream pa din, girl. Ano, may ice cream shop dito, guys. Sayang. Ito yung Higashimon. Meron patisserie din dito. Sarado pa yung iba. Siguro dahil maaga pa. Dun sa dulo, guys, puro club na. So, hindi na ako tumuloy. Naglalakad na ako pabalik dito. Malapit sa station. Mamimiss ko talaga ang Japan, guys. I can't believe we're down to the last full day of our trip. It has gone by so fast. We're so thankful. It's been a dream of mine to come here. And the fact that it came true. Last year, nag-wish ako na sana makapag-Japan tayo by 2024 and tinupad. Manifesting really works talaga, guys. I firmly believe in that. So, kung meron kayong gusto, manifest nyo lang. And then, of course, put in the work also to make sure that it comes true. Place dito. Ito, walang pila. Pasok ako. Tig 280 yan. Ito yung order ko, guys. Yung premium na custard. Meron din silang sweet potato, tapos red bean. Yung premium custard, 300 yan. Kuha lang tayo ng isa. Bilis nila kumilos, guys. 25. Masarap. Arigatou gozaimasu. Naghahanap lang ako na pupwestuhan natin, guys, para tikman tong taiyaki. Bawal kasi kumain habang naglalakad. So, gigilid lang tayo saglit. Dito na lang tayo. Tikman natin tong taiyaki natin. It has custard inside. This is for 300 yen. Ang daming custard, guys. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's creamy. This is the perfect snack ngayong malamig. Kasi mainit-init pa yung custard and yung bread. Ang sarap. Dapat pala, dalawa na yung binili ko. Sarap yun, guys. If ever you're in Kobe, try nyo rin to for a snack. I guess that's it for our time here in Kobe. It's already 3:57. By 4 o'clock, babalik na tayo ng Osaka. Konti na lang, guys, yung train na natin. 10 minutes na lang. dito. Mickey. So cute! This I got from the Gachapon yesterday. Tapos, ito, may Kirby din dito. So cute! Nakakuha din ako ng ganito sa Gachapon kahapon. Yan. Yan. Guys, I found the section for Studio Ghibli and look kung sino bubungad sa inyo. It's Totoro! So cute! Guys, ito na yung pics natin from the Ghibli store. So, meron tayong dalawang Totoro pins for 500 yen each. Isang GG, one GG, and one Totoro keychain. Yan. Time check tayo. It's 8 p.m. here in Osaka. Naghahanap kami ngayon kung saan kami pwedeng kumain ng dinner. Guys, we ended up here at Daiki Suisan. Ito yung prices nila, guys. Ito yung choices. Ayan. Medyo mas mahal siya than Kura. Try lang tayo ng few plates dito, guys. We will try the seafood salad, the cheese and Hamburg steak, and crab flavor salad. Just to compare kung alin yung mas masarap, kung Kura or Daiki Suisan. Yung unang order natin, guys, is Hamburg with cheese. That was a good bite. Ito, dumating na rin yung Hamburg with ketchup, guys. Trying the tuna salad first for 100 yen. Guys, ang sarap niya for 100 yen or around 30 pesos. 80 pesos, guys. This is my fave. Next, we have the shrimp salad. Ito na, guys. Last but not the least, crab salad. My favorites here are the Hamburg with cheese, seafood salad, and the shrimp salad. Naka 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11. Naka 11 plates tayo. Okay din dito sa Daiki Suisan, guys. Akala namin hindi kami makakarami. Guys, nakita nyo ba yun? It was quick, pero nag-scan lang sila ng plates and we already totaled the bill. We ended up with 1639 yen for 11 plates. And then, ibababa lang natin to. We'll pay at the counter. Yan, finally, matatry na rin natin yung dango from Japan. This one, the third one, with sweet sauce. Yeah. Iba't iba pala yung flavor ng dango nila, guys. Pero, ito yung gusto ko matry, yung classic lang with soy sauce. Yay! Here you go! Let's try it. Buusok pa. Parang mainit, oh. It's so soft. Imagine mochi balls tapos yung sauce, parang sauce ng fishball. So I guess that's it, guys, for our last full day here in Kansai region in Japan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys for our last day here naman in Japan. Bye!